Hi guys, welcome to Honest Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, I'm bringing the unboxing of my new iPad, the 11-inch that just got released 2020, and this is the 12.9 inch. I'm really excited to unbox this. I went from a 2017 iPad Pro to the 2020 iPad Pro 11-inch. Mine was a 10.5 to the 12.9 inch, sorry. And so yeah, this is the unboxing of it, and really excited to use it, and I'll be bringing the review of it to you guys in about 3 weeks. So I like using my products for about 3 weeks before I give my view on them. So let's start with opening the box. Super exciting. Okay, it's got little flaps to take the iPad out with. Okay, now the newer Apple devices, they got like a little flap somewhere that you can pull and just take it out. That's good that they've gone to a 128 gig for the base version, and this is the non 4G, I guess, LTE. Like they, oh yeah, here you go, the flaps. All you do is just basically pull that and it takes off the plastic around it. Makes it a lot easier than before. I used to use a card to take it out. Okay, the box looks really cool, as usual with Apple. And let's open it up. Okay, that's pretty standard Apple boxing. Okay, that's the iPad. Let's leave that out of the screen for now. Just look inside the box. So first thing you'll probably notice the square shaped cutout like the iPhones. So this is the box. There's nothing too special about this. Yeah, pretty standard there. Now USB-C to USB-C charging, just like the older version, 2018 one. It's got a USB-C brick as well. Oops. Now let's see how many watts is this one. I think it's 18 off the top of my head. Looks like this wouldn't be 5. It says 5 on here. Can't be 5 because they'll just take forever to charge a big iPad like this. Even my iPad Pro, the first iPad 12.9 inch, that had a 12-watt charger, so I'm guessing it'll be 18 at least, you know, to charge this. Okay, that's that. By keeping my things neat, as you guys can probably see from trying to put this back. Okay, actually, let's open this as well. There's a flap for that. Nice and shiny new brick for me to use. And how do we do this? Yep, there and there. Okay. I like to open things without completely ruining them. Okay, bang. That's pretty easy peasy. Yep, awesome. Okay, that's the wire. It's nice. Yeah, okay. Yep. Alright. Pretty standard. Okay, let's move on to the iPad itself. So they come in 2 colors now. Space gray, just like the laptop, space gray and silver, like the big laptops. So, okay, so that's the new camera, I guess. So as you can see, it's got the wide angle and the normal one. Got a flash, mic, and This little thing is not a third camera. That's actually a LiDAR sensor which the iPad uses to get better reading of its environment for the AR augmentation. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so you've got the where the Wi-Fi is, I guess. Alright, don't know what that does, but I'll obviously find those things out for you. I think that's where the SIM goes. Volume, rocker. Okay, USB-C. And yeah, that's the charge, like I think for the smart keyboard. It's got 4 speakers as standard, 2 mics here, power there. Okay, let's give it a boot. Nice big Apple logo for you there. Already you can probably see my fingerprints there. Okay, that's basically it, I guess. Yeah, and stay tuned for the review. I'll be bringing that in about 2 weeks from today. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and share. Thanks. Ta. Bye.